Hi students, today we are going to start the chapter Coal and Petroleum. Chapter 5 Coal and Petroleum. When we list various materials used by us in daily life, we can see that some of them are natural and some of the materials are man-made. Here is a list of such things. Here you can see that water, soil, minerals, air, coal, petrol, sunlight, fruits, diesel and LPG. These all are natural. That is, when we list the materials, we can see that all these materials are naturally available. But on the other side, we can see that plastic, rubber, car, TV, chair, table, bed, blackboard, bus, shoes, etc. All these things are man-made. Natural resources. What are natural resources? The resources that we obtain from nature are called natural resources. For example, wind, soil, water, air. Natural resources are of two types: inexhaustible natural resources and exhaustible natural resources. What are inexhaustible natural resources? These resources are present in unlimited quantity in nature and are not likely to be exhausted by human activities. For example, sunlight and air. Exhaustible natural resources. The amount of these resources in nature is limited. They can be exhausted by human activities. Examples are forest, coal, petroleum, minerals, wildlife, natural gas, etc. Can sunlight get exhausted by human activities? As you know, sunlight is an ultimate source of energy for all living beings. It cannot be exhausted by human activities as it is produced by a natural process of fusion inside the sun. Due to this nuclear fusion, extremely large amount of energy is produced, which comes out in the form of sunlight. What are fuels? A fuel is a substance which burns in air to produce energy without releasing harmful gases in large quantities. A fuel is a substance which burns in air to produce energy without releasing harmful gases in large quantities. Fuels can be classified as natural fuels and derived fuels. Natural fuels are also called primary fuels and secondary fuels are also called derived fuels. Natural fuel. If a fuel is present in its natural state, it is called natural fuel. Derived fuel. If a fuel is processed to improve its quality, then it is called derived fuel. Here you can see wood, crude oil and natural gas. These all are natural fuels. Crude oil is a naturally occurring unrefined petroleum product. Wood, crude oil and natural gas are natural fuels. And derived fuels, kerosene and coal gas. These are derived fuels. You are familiar with the term, right? Fossil fuels. What is it? Exhaustible natural resources like coal, petroleum and natural gas were formed from the dead remains of living organisms. These we can call them as fossil fuels. Coal, petroleum and natural gas all are fossil fuels. When plants and animals die, they get buried under the soil. As more soil deposits on them with increasing temperature and pressure, they get converted into fossil fuels. coal. As we discussed, coal is a fossil fuel. Coal is a complex mixture of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, and it also contains nitrogen, sulfur and phosphorus compounds in it. It is found in coal mines deep under the surface of earth. Story of formation of coal. It is believed that millions of years ago, the ground below the forest was split open by natural forces such as earthquakes and volcanoes. The forest got buried under the surface of earth. Thus, the plants had no contact with oxygen. More soil deposited over them and they were compressed. Over millions of years, these deposits were subjected to tremendous pressure and heat and finally transformed into coal. Carbonization. What is it? What is carbonization? The slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. The slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. Coal is a fossil fuel. When we discuss about its characteristics, we can see that it is hard as stone and is black in color. What are the uses of coal? Coal is used as fuel to cook food, and in thermal power plants it is used to produce electricity, and it is used as a fuel in industries. Earlier it was used in railway engines to produce steam to run the engine. When heated in air, coal produces carbon dioxide gas. When processed in industry, we can process coal in industry to get some useful products. Coal is a fossil fuel, and when we process coal in industry, we will get some useful products from it. Next, we are going to discuss about products obtained from coal. The main products obtained from coal when we process it are coke, coal tar and coal gas. Coke, coal tar and coal gas. What is coke? What is coke? It is a tough, porous and black substance. It is an almost pure form of carbon. Coke is used in the manufacture of steel and in the extraction of many metals. Coke is used in the manufacture of steel and in the extraction of many metals. Next product when we process coal, we get the next product we get when we process coal is coal tar. Coal tar is a black thick liquid with an unpleasant smell. Coal tar is a mixture of about 200 compounds. Products obtained from coal tar. Products obtained from coal tar are used as starting material for manufacturing various substances used in daily life and in industry. The following substances you can see, these all are manufactured by using products from coal tar. For example, synthetic dyes, explosives, paints, photographic materials, roofing materials, plastics, perfumes, drugs, pesticides such as naphthalene balls. As you know, naphthalene balls are used to repel moths and other insects. That is also obtained from coal tar. Next is coal gas. When we process coal, we get mainly three products. The first one was coke, then coal tar, and the third one is coal gas. It is obtained during the processing of coal to get coke. In that process, we will get coal gas. Uses. Coal gas is used in industries situated near the coal processing plants. It is used as a fuel in many industries situated near the coal processing plants. Hope you understood the concept. Now try to answer this question. Explain why fossil fuels are exhaustible natural resources. Explain why fossil fuels are exhaustible natural resources.